Hey, this is David, and since the wife took over the garden, we have a lot more vegetables than normal. I've got a bunch of cucumbers, and today she's gone, so I've got the kitchen to myself, and I'm going to make some refrigerator pickles. Refrigerator pickles are much simpler to do than recipes for canning pickles, but they're not suitable for long-term storage. You need to keep these in your fridge, right? And all you need is some cucumbers, like I have there. You need about 6 cups of sliced cucumber, 2 cups of thinly sliced onion, a cup and a half of vinegar, 3/4 cup sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of celery seed, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 garlic cloves sliced. And we're going to cheat, and I'm going to use pickling spice instead of the turmeric and the mustard and the celery seed and all that, just because I like it and it's easier. Alright, so let's slice these up and I'll show you what we're gonna do. And we're just gonna mix all that up. And then we're gonna put it in our jars and then heat up our mix. Alright, we're gonna start this off with 1.5 cups of vinegar. 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, add in our pickling spice, and some red pepper, and some black pepper. We're just going to stir that up and boil it until it is combined. Alright, now that we've got it boiling, we're going to let it cook for a minute before we pour it into our pickles. Now, I wanted to know, because we're using vinegar and heat, you don't want to do this in an aluminum pot. So you want to do it in something non-reactive. This is a stainless steel pot, and it works pretty well. Okay? So we're going to let that cook for a minute, and then we're going to pour it into our pickles. Alright, there they are, and I probably could have used 2 jars if I'd have packed them a little tighter in, but we're going to set these in the fridge. After about 4 weeks, they should be pretty tasty, and they should store, you know, 3-4 months or so in the fridge. Like I said, this isn't a canning recipe, it's a refrigerator recipe, so the storage is going to be a little less, but it's a whole lot less complicated. It only took me about 30 minutes or so. So until next time, you can catch us online, www.tngun.com.